Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the space and hardware. First, clear a 6ft by 6ft area and remove tripping hazards. This prevents accidents once you're immersed. Next, make sure the headset and controllers have at least 50% charge and power on any base stations or companion phone app. Once done, don the headset and fasten the strap so the weight sits across your forehead and back of head. This gives stable optics and reduces motion blur as you begin tracking. Now you calibrate tracking and controls. You'll run the guided room setup or guardian. Follow each on-screen prompt to trace your play boundary so the system knows where you can move safely. Then pair the controllers via the companion app or Bluetooth. Press the specified buttons until the device confirms pairing and verify button mapping in settings. After that, adjust interpupillary distance and lens spacing until the image is sharp. Making these small optical tweaks reduces eye strain. Finish by testing and securing the experience. You should launch a built-in tutorial app to check motion, audio, haptics, and menu navigation. This reveals problems in a controlled scenario. Make sure firmware and GPU drivers are up to date because outdated software causes stuttering or drift. If tracking drifts or colors look off, recenter your view, power cycle the headset, and rerun the tracking calibration. One key tip: if persistent drift remains, clean headset sensors and recalibrate in a brighter, uncluttered room.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.